I'm going to the dome, baby. Can I go through, do you think?
Oh my God. Did it crash?
Good morning. It's Monday, which means I am in San Francisco. I almost wasn't in San Francisco because there was an insane crowd at the airport, but I made it, and I'm happy I did because, number one, if I'm in San Francisco, it means I'm shooting the Star Wars show, and number two, it's drone day. Drone day. It's drone day. You know what day it is, right?
It's drone day.
It's drone day, baby! Listen, Scott, can we shoot the show outside today because it's drone day?
Nope. Nope.
But it's real nice out.
I don't care.
We brought drones.
I don't care.
Scott, it's drone day. Scott's not our real dad, dude. We don't have to listen to him.
You don't have to listen to me, but if you want to get paid, you gotta listen to me.
Man, I got my own drone now.
What, are you gonna rob a bank with a drone?
Has anybody done that yet?
Yeah.
Kyle, let's rob banks with drones.
Okay.
You're not our real mom.
Mom,
That's my real mom.
Anthony,
Tall Andy is my real mom.
you should rob a bank with a drone. Give her mommy a kiss.
Harper, Scott says that we can't shoot the show outside today. Can we shoot the show outside today?
Sure.
Yeah! Drone day, baby! That's why he's our favorite producer.
Hey!
Yay!
Oh, by the way, we can't shoot outside.
What? I got the Pro, the Mavic Pro 2, and Kyle got the Mavic Air, and I was like, oh, mine's just a little bit bigger, and it won't be that much more of a pain in the ass. Look at how tiny his drone is unfolded compared to mine. This is like I'm overcompensating.
Yeah.
Overcompensating the drone.
What's the point? Why?
I went with this one because it's supposed to have better range and better battery life, but like, it should, considering it's 8 times larger. Look at your little case, man.
Yeah. This is what I wanted it for, just travel.
It's so nice. I'm excited to see the range difference between these two, because that may make me feel a little bit better about myself.
It can last a little longer than him.
Yeah, I'd go a little farther, last a little longer, who knows?
Mine's updating.
One of them is good.
See, this is why I wanted us to do this before we went outside. Sometimes you go outside and it's like, it takes 10 minutes to update, and you're like, I could have been up and down by now. I mean, for me, it might be like 15, 20 minutes.
That's true. Yeah.
You know, because the size of my battery.
Very impressive. So impressive.
All right, Kyle.
Hey!
Fear is the mind killer, Kyle.
Hey.
You're up in your droning, dude.
Wait for my drone.
Oh, dude. Look at this shot right here.
What? That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at us. Oh my God, you're so high.
342 feet, Kyle. That's where drones live.
No, apparently drones live right above me.
Look at this sweeping shot I'm taking, Kyle.
How are you that far?
Coming to the sky, my dude.
I'm so nervous.
I'm Kyle. Kyle, no. Fly, Kyle. You've been given the freedom to fly, Kyle.
I will.
I'm doing like the opening to f***ing Full House. Kyle.
All right, here we go. I'm going up. I'm going up.
I'm going to the dome, baby.
Land on it. Land on it.
Can I go through, do you think?
So nervous.
Can I go
There's
through?
a wedding happening right
Can I go
now.
through?
Oh my God.
Woo!
Did it crash?
No, it told me not to do it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, those birds! AJ, did you see that?
Yes, your drone's gonna get taken down by some seagulls.
I'm gonna return to home. Can you see it from here? Do you think you can land? The only thing about returning home is it does this beep the whole time.
Backing up? What is this, a van backing up?
But look, while it's returning home, I can still control the angle of it. I can go like, welcome to this f***ing pond. What were your feelings and emotions during your first drone flight?
Felt good. I didn't feel as good as you,
Yeah.
but pretty good. Look at that. It's like if you were 10 feet if you're 10 feet tall.
Nobody's 10 feet
Yeah.
tall.
So I
Nobody could get that perspective.
I already got my money's worth. Oh, I'm so excited.
You were like excited and nervous in equal measure.
Now I know, don't look at the drone, look at your phone.
That's what they say. It's an easy rhyme that you can use to remember that the FAA tells everyone. You weren't nearly as scared as AJ during the landing.
God. Well, it was right above my head. I'm just imagining my hair getting like all tangled in like the propellers.
It just takes you up.
Yeah.
It comes down at you like some sort of a hawk. Like
I got what I needed.
Yeah.
Today.
I think you got some good first time footage. Some of your footage?
Yeah.
Some of your footage tonight. I want to compare the footage.
All right.
I want to know. I want to know the difference, Kyle.
I want to figure out what the Anthony Carboni approved drone purchase for a first timer is.
Oh, it's going to be Kyle's for sure. What up? I'm back in LA. I'm ready to talk about these very good drones. First of all, you should know that Kyle's footage is not really emblematic of the best Mavic Air footage you can find. It was his first time flying his first drone, and he didn't realize until afterwards he had some white balance and exposure issues. I'll put some good Mavic Air footage right here so you can see, ooh, ah, can you believe it? The Mavic 2 Pro definitely has a better image than the Mavic Air, and I think it's just because it has a Hasselblad logo. You know, Hasselblad is a very expensive logo. It's very classy. 10 points to Hasselblad. No, it's because the Mavic 2 Pro has a 1-inch sensor. It also has a better codec. It shoots in H.265. The Mavic Air and most other cameras right now shoot in H.264. That one extra H is the Hasselblad different. Now, it basically means if you shoot the same image for the same amount of time at the same bit rate on both cameras, the Mavic 2 Pro is going to be able to get more image data into that same file size. So you have more image information and detail to work with. I think both of these cameras give a very good image, and I would use the footage from either one. I think image quality is important, but I think it's important for image quality to be good enough / great, not perfect. You can probably tell because this video was shot on a Hero 7 and it looks like trash sometimes. The Mavic Air gets about 1 mile of flight distance. The Mavic 2 Pro gets 3 miles, but I think I could have gotten all the shots that I got today on the Pro with the Air as well. We'll never know because Kyle definitely did not put that distance to the test.
Kyle! Kyle, no!
He was very worried about his new baby. I could get away with 1 mile. You know your needs better than me. In terms of flight time, the Mavic 2 Pro gets 22 minutes of flight time. The Mavic Air gets 18. We both took our drones up at the same time and brought them down at the same time, and neither one of them was giving us battery warnings. I think in real world use like this, where it's like, oh, we have 20 minutes during lunch, let's take our drones up. Or, oh, you know, I'm on a trip and I have a few minutes. You're probably going to be fine in both. Also, if you need to carry extra batteries around, the Mavic Air batteries are much smaller and it's much less of a hassle to carry those extra batteries around. And that brings me to the most important thing about these drones. I wish I bought the Mavic Air. There, I said it. I wish I had bought it. It is so small. It is 50% of the size and weight of the Mavic 2 Pro. They're both small enough where you're gonna put them in a bag, but here's what's up. In the same space that I can fit my drone into my backpack, Kyle can fit his drone, a couple extra batteries, his controller. I want the least amount of friction possible. I can only get drone shots if I've got my drone with me. I want to be able to travel with it all the time, no matter what, and not have it be a hassle for me. The Mavic 2 Pro does have the better image quality and it does have the better distance. And now that I have those things, I don't know if I could give them up for portability. If the roles were reversed and I brought in a Mavic Air, and Kyle brought in a Mavic 2 Pro, I would look at the image from his camera and be like, yep, that's definitely better. But I would still be happy with my purchase because I would know that it was just in this tiny little bag and I could take it everywhere. And it's half the price. We're talking about the Mavic Air costing $799 for drone only. Mavic 2 Pro costing $1499. For double the price, you get double the weight, but not double the flight time or double the image quality. I don't think so. That's my opinion. So I think the best drone to buy for the most people is gonna be the Mavic Air. Why not a Spark? I don't think the Spark is gonna be as easy to travel with as the Air. Yeah, it's smaller, but you can't fold the legs in, and I think the image quality is gonna be just a little too far behind what the Air can do. So I think Mavic Air is the way to go. I'll carry a steamer trunk for my giant garbage drone. I'm kidding. Do you have these drones? Do you have one of them? Are you looking to get one of them? Let me know what you think of them down below, or if you have any questions down below. YouTube has comments. Who knew?